the Caribbean Trader store that I buy the barrels when I'm shipping barrels back to Jamaica. So if you're in Tampa, Florida, or anywhere close by, then this is where you can get it. And they have their phone number there on the screen, and they have all these Jamaican stuff in there. I'm about to go inside, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what they sell inside. So first up, we come here, and over in the section they have all the Grace Jamaican products. Everything Grace that you want is on this section, and on that other section they have other stuff. Cock soups, Blasco, and over here we have a Jamaican snacks. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit around. They have Cenapod. This is called Cenapod. If you wanna take washout in Jamaica, my grandmother always give us washouts. So if you wanna take washout, this is good to take. Cenapods, you boil the leaf and make tea with it, and that make you poo a lot, so that's good. They have plantain and all the Jamaican stuff around here. Cornmeal, tie out in a bag like Jamaica, and they have all the Jamaican sodas, Bustas, and all of that. They have pepper, onion, scallion, saltfish, and they also have fish over here. So if you want fish, red snapper, they have red snapper over here, and in here they have oxtail and even breadfruit. Yo, I first see this. They have breadfruit. I'm gonna look. Oh wow, I've never seen this before. Roast sliced breadfruit. Wow, that's new. Never seen that before. Wonder if it turn. See the roast sliced breadfruit. Never see this one before, but okay, we go try. So they have all the ground provision if you want yam, plantains, you know, Irish potato, pear. I'll go get one of them pear, and it turn too. I'll get one of them pear. And they still have sorrel down there, so sorrel. And what if a Jamaican banana chips and all of that. And they have bun, all kind of bun if you want bun. They have HTB, Easter bun, and they have Golden Cross spice bun. All your syrup, have syrups and biscuit, Ovaltine. You never seen Ovaltine in a long time. You know, just all the Jamaican stuff. Shirley biscuit. You have Ackee, can Ackee, Callaloo in a can, red peas. Over here, so you have all the browning, honey, and all of this thing, cherry mania. My daughter love this, so I'm gonna go grab some of this. No, this is not plum. She want it. And over here, so you have the good old Walker's Wood, peppers and jerk, everything that. I have coconut drops, gizzarda, and brat bun. They have everything. They have bami. Everything man want. Have a good old bami. Bread. Running, so they have it tea bag them. I have the Milo. Canned cheese. This so bully beef. We have ginger of the so good old baba roots. And this side they have the Walker's with jerk sauce. I love the jerk sauce there. And the barbecue rum sauce there. Mad. Over here say have the ice cream. And this may come in here really for ice cream. Rum and raisin. Rum and raisin me want. So let me come all the way over here. Just feed. They have grape nut. So over here they have the ice cream. They have rum and grape nut, rum and raisin, pistachio, and the same 3 flavor they they have right now. Auntie, you have any other Caribbean Traders location in America?
But no, we're the only one.
Oh, cause Oats Beer Jamaica, here this we used to drink. Glucose from orange. I used to give it glucose when we have sports day in Jamaica. When we're running, they used to give this to us. It's a white powder and it's for energy. So they used to put it on oranges or in water.
Digestive.
And give it to us to give us energy so we can run faster. A long line. Good old tambourine ball. Yeah, so they have bami and I stuff too. Bami. Peanut. Could I get some of them peanuts if you blend up with the blend it with the collagen.
I'm not gonna go for you. I'm just gonna give you cash, alright?
Oh, okay.
I'm just normal. Everybody come at one time. What's up with you guys?
Any party ready?
The beef is not ready yet.
How long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Go on, find collagen. Oh, I think I want you one to cook up now.